Sometimes you just gotta laugh at yourself. Watch this. What was I even doing? Oh, wow. Calling out to a friend, are you? Oh, wow. Oh. I have no idea what I was doing at this point. But it is a valuable lesson, right?